Hey guys, wanna quickly translate text on your Android device? Here's an easy way how to do it, so follow these steps. So firstly, open the Google Chrome app, click on this icon, and simply tap on, on this Google Lens icon. And this will open your Google Lens camera, and then select the Translate option. And just point the camera at the text you want to translate and simply take a photo. So as you can see, it has automatically detected the Spanish language and translated it to the English language. Also, you can even copy the translation. Simply tap Select All and click the Copy option. And also, you can listen to the translation too. So probably select it again, click Translate, and tap Listen.
How are you?
And by the way, make sure that Google Chrome and Google Lens are updated to the latest version to avoid issues. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.